What's up, guys? So order some forward controls for the 1200 iron, so we're gonna figure out how they go together and then install them on the bike. So let's get started. Okay, so this goes on the right, so this will be for the brake pedal, and this right here will grow through just like this. And then screw in right there. That's how that works. But I am going to put some grease on this part right here, just because I don't think it would hurt, and it's pretty rough in there. It's pretty rough inside of there, so I don't think a little grease would hurt anything. Just to keep it lubed up. I don't think it would get seized up or anything, but you never know with this crap. So that goes like that, and this goes in here, and then you have a bag of bolts, and not sure which bolt you're supposed to use, but there's different size ones, so we'll definitely figure it out. Comes with some snap rings, which I'm assuming goes right there. In case the bolt fails, it won't come completely off. Yes, sir. So that snap ring goes right there. So that is the rear brake side, and then comes with pegs as well. I've never done this before, so I'm figuring it out as we go. So yeah, that one goes right here. Yeah, see. So that snap ring will go on right here. There we go. So that's on. And then this. This goes on this side to link back to the brake. Assuming this screws in right here, so I can get it screwed in here. Yep, that screws in there like so. Now I'll take a wrench and tighten that down. I'm just gonna lay this stuff to the side for now, because I'll put the brake linkage and all on once I put the pegs or the whole setup actually on the bike. So this will be the shifter side. Boom, boom. Yes. More grease. Just so it don't get stuck. and I don't think it'll hurt to have grease on it. He didn't really say anything about putting grease on it, but I'm going to. Yes. Now we can put the screw back in. Alright, I gotta get the snap ring on this one. There we go. Got that snap ring in. Alright, now that looks more like it would work there to me, because it's more towards the peg. And then here is the shifter peg, or whatever it's called. I'm assuming it's called a peg. That will screw in right here. So, got the shifter side put together, and the brake side put together. There they are. So I guess the next step is to, well, get the old controls off and then put these on the bike. Let's do that. See you guys in a little bit.